How is it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Went back to the car, got the duster, because as you can see, we have more pollen and dust. And over here, what? Why? Did I make a bird mad somewhere? But this gives me a good opportunity to show you guys a few things. First, as usual, let's get the pollen and the dust off of it. And then I'm going to show you guys how to remove this safely, efficiently, cleanly, without messing anything up. That way you'll know too. Right now I'm just going to do the windows so I can show you guys exactly what to do. Oh God, just since last night actually, all this has happened. Alright, there's several things you can use to get rid of bird crap on your car. The old standby is instant detailer. The only problem with this is it kind of leaves a streak, so you got to rub it in not pretty good, but you know, decently. Yep, there we go with the wind again. Rain-X window cleaner. Like I said in my video yesterday, I have several different types. I have Windex, Rain-X, Armor All, Griots, but this one actually has the Rain-X in it, so that when you clean your windshield or window, it protects it. And then this one, safe for all finishes and everything. And a lot of people really like this. And I want to show you why I don't like it. Now, it is very safe for all finishes, okay? And I'll show you right here. Let me get this open. Alright, all you do is poke a little itty bitty hole in your top. The thing with this is, like I said, it doesn't hurt any finish, it doesn't hurt your glass, it doesn't mess with the paint. Whenever you remove it, it doesn't take off any wax or anything. Everything is just as is, except for the crap's gone. The only problem with this is, pour it on here, and you have to let it sit, okay? You have to let it sit. And see, it's been on there for a couple seconds now, about 20 to be exact, and it's really not doing anything. Just leaving a nice greasy residue on my car, but that's about it. So you come in with the Rain-X or your favorite window cleaner, and see it's already breaking it up, okay? Now this is pretty self-explanatory, you know, to you guys on your glass. I understand that, but I'm going to show you something here for the paint in just a second. But see, that's already gone. In the time that I let the goo gun sit on there, I done cleaned it completely with the glass cleaner and took off the goo gun. So let me get the rest of this off, and then we'll take care of those spots right there. Now let's take this small spot. Again, the goo gun, put it on there, and let it sit. And we're going to go over here and grab the other thing. Well, let's grab the lid first. Close this up so the wind doesn't knock it over. And wipe off any excess off of the bottle. And I wanted to leave that on. And I know it's a bit shaky and everything, but I wanted to leave that on, okay? And don't worry about it, this car's got a good wax job and everything, and I'm just lightly keeping this from running. As you see, that hasn't started breaking it up at all. Okay? So what I recommend, and this is doing two things, it's getting rid of the problem and it's protecting all in the same step. Get your favorite brand, doesn't matter. I'm using Lucas Slick Mist for this demonstration. You know, squirt bottle. Now you see that's still setting, still not breaking up. We'll come over here. See, the instant that I squirt that, it starts breaking up. Okay? Take a clean rag, and you're just going to gently rub it in one motion. And look at that, it's already almost gone. Come back, squirt it again. Gone, look at that. Just gently wipe. and it's gone. Go ahead and get rid of that before anybody says anything about it. Flip the rag over. Gone. It's gone. It's gotten rid of it. And that spot is now slick as can be. It really is. And look, this over here still hasn't started breaking up yet. So let's go ahead and hit it with the spray too, the spray on wax. Find a clean spot on our rag. We'll use the blue rag first to get all the goo gone and crap off of it. Then we'll hit it with spray wax. We're going to have to let that set for just a second because it's pretty heavy. But since this is wax, as we rub it, it is putting a protectant film on there. So just lightly push on it and it breaks it loose. Just flip it off of the car. Get another clean spot on the rag. Spray it again. And just gently wipe. And if you have one little spot like that, just take your finger in and just gently get it. Like I said, this is doing two things at one time. It's getting the old nasty bird crap off that has the acids in it and everything. And it's protecting it. Putting a wax barrier on there, which this car has wax on it anyway. So all my cars do. Now with that said, I hope you might have picked up a little trick or two. The detail spray works good, but it leaves streak. The Goo Gone works, but you just have to let it sit on there. The glass cleaner works really good for glass, but you don't want to really use glass cleaner on your painted surface. You want to use a painted surface product for that. And the best thing I have found that breaks this stuff up is a spray on wax. It really does the trick, as you just saw. Alright, back in the house. Sorry it took me a few minutes. I got sidetracked, had to do a few things outside. But I wanted to wrap this up. And like I said, you can use the Goo Gone, but you have to let it sit for a while. But it works perfectly. It does no harm to anything. No painted surfaces, no glass, no rubber, anything. Works perfect. Or you can use glass cleaner for the glass, but you don't want to use glass on painted surfaces. So you want to use something for painted surfaces. And like I was saying earlier, the best that I have found as far as doing this, like I said, the detail spray and stuff like that works. But the spray on waxes penetrate immediately. They start breaking it up. And while they're breaking up, they're also they're giving you a protective barrier on your painted surface. So you're doing two things with one, killing two birds with one stone. Probably how many it took to do that to my car. But I hope you're all having a great day. I hope you might have picked up a thing or two from this quick short video. And you know what I always say, get out there and enjoy your cars. You're paying for them, enjoy them. Doesn't matter what you're doing with them. But until then, thank each and every one of you so much for stopping by and watching my videos and supporting and commenting. It means a lot to me. It really does. I enjoy talking with you guys. Until next video, you guys take care.